Hi friends, this is a short video about autotrophic nutrition in plants. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which chlorophyll containing cells in the plants synthesize food in the form of carbohydrates, carbon dioxide and water using sunlight. The raw materials required for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water, and the products formed are carbohydrates and oxygen.
Steps in photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis occurs in two phases. Light reactions. This reaction takes place in the presence of light. Events occurring during light reactions are absorption of light energy by chlorophyll molecules, splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen atoms, formation of ATP.
Arc reactions. This reactions does not require direct light and occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. During the phase, reductions of CO2 takes place to form carbohydrates.
The plants obtain carbon dioxide the plants obtain carbon dioxide through the stomata, which are tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. Massive amount of gaseous exchange takes place in the leaves through the pores for the purpose of photosynthesis.
This is an experiment to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Now take a plotted plant with variegated leaves, for example money plant. Keep the plant in a dark room for 3 days so that all starch gets used up. Now keep the plant in sunlight for about 6 hours. Pluck a leaf from the plant, mark the green areas in it and trace them on a sheet of paper. Dip the leaf in boiling water for a few minutes. After this, immerse it in a beaker containing alcohol. Carefully place the above beaker in a water bath and heat till alcohol begins to boil. What happens to the color of the leaf? What is the color of the solution? That we will see in the next slide where the diagram is there. Now dip the leaf in a dilute solution of iodine for a few minutes. Take out the leaf and rinse off the iodine solution. Observe the color of the leaf and compare this with the tracing of the leaf done in the beginning.
This is an experiment to show that carbon dioxide is needed for photosynthesis. In this experiment, we have to take two healthy potted plants which are nearly of the same size, and we have to keep them in a dark room for 3 days. Now we have to place each plant on a separate glass plate. Then we have to place a quartz glass containing potassium hydroxide by the side of one of the plants. The potassium hydroxide is used to absorb carbon dioxide. Then we have to cover both plants with separate bell jars. Then we have to use Vaseline to seal the bottom of the jars to the glass plate so that the setup is airtight. Then we have to keep the plants in sunlight for about 2 hours. After that, we have to pluck a leaf from each plant and check for the presence of stars in the as in the above activity.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.